ma'am, sir. My name is Rachel Halasan, 30 years old. I am a single mother from the Philippines. I have one kid, boy, 7 years old. I am college graduate of a 2 years course in hospitality and restaurant services. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters. I have working experience as a domestic helper in Jordan for 4 years. I serve 2 adults and 2 kids. The youngest is 8 years old and the oldest is 12 years old. I do a household chores like washing clothes, ironing clothes, and take care of children and also pets. And sometimes I'm cooking. And also I work here in Hong Kong for 7 months and 14 days and I've got terminated. I serve 2 adults and 1 kid, 7 years old. I do a housework like cleaning, washing clothes, cooking, marketing, and ironing clothes and take care of kids. I overcome my homesickness, making myself busy doing my job. To my dearest future employer, please hire me because I'm honest, trustworthy, hardworking, responsible, and patient all the time. If you hire me, I will promise that I will love your children as my own children. And I will promise I will finish my 2-year contract with you. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and for the future of my kids. Thank you.